Hi and welcome back. This morning we actually left before the construction worker arrived at the house that we're renting. We have a very misty morning and we are on our way to the house to do the flooring. This is the weather so far. It's going to be nice and sunny later, but yeah, a bit of a fog. Okay, so here we go. We are starting the casting of the concrete. So we are slowly making progress. For some reason he can do a lot more even floors than I can. Yeah. All right. Back to work. So what do you do in Italy when you're on a short break? Well, you eat pizza, of course. Okay, so we are getting there. The last bit left, and then we are finished for today. So we are just about finished. Last few bags. Have some more in the stables, and so we are finished. It went a lot smoother than I thought. Thought it would be a really long day, but it's just 2 o'clock. We also fixed this, put down the shower tray in level with the rest of the concrete that we had, and now we're just packing up the day and we're finished. Beautiful day. Could have worn shorts today. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm heading to the gym to get a workout in and then go home and edit. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!